everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve under root 1 by 25 divided by 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 1 by 25. So let's start with the today's video solution. So we'll use 2 at a time. So 1 by 25 times 25 divided by 1 by 25 divided by 1 by 25 divided by 1 by 25. We can eliminate this, so it gives us 1 only. So 1 now times 25 divided by 1 by 25 divided by 1 by 25. So 25 times 1 is 25 times 25 divided by 1 by 25. Now 25 times 25 times 25. So 25 we can write it as 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So under square root 5 power 6 and square root a power n, we can write it as a power n power. So a power m whole power 1 by n. So 5 power 6 times 1 by 2. This gives us 5 power 3, which is equals to 125. So our final answer is 125. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.